before we start the training, I'm still not recover yet.
You not done yet?
Yeah, my jaw corner, they were hurt me. My cheeks, they were hurt me.
By the way, he hasn't really said anything to me since I've been in here. All I get is... So, we're still out wait.
This is the best start to March in my entire life.
Aww.
It's so good to see you.
I missed you, friend.
Yeah, it's so good to see you.
I missed you.
WhatsApp and text are not the same.
No, it's never the same.
All right. All right, cool. All right.
Take a breath.
We're back.
Ready?
Yeah.
All right, got you.
The last surviving Wailer has passed. Bunny Blackheadman Wailer. He passed on Tuesday at the Medical Associates Hospital in Kingston. What Bunny Wailer has done for reggae as one of the pioneers and standard bearers of our country's music will live on forever. We'll remember him with great pride, how Bunny, Bob, and Peter took reggae music to the four corners of the earth and even, I think, beyond. We will definitely miss him. We will miss the impact that he's had, but that will last forever. And I'm so grateful to have been alive in a time when, you know, his music really made an impact on us.
Definitely. Yeah. So that music is going to be around for a while. And then it happened, you know, right on the tail of Reggae Month. So it's just, it was kind of crazy that that's when it happened. But I'm glad that when these icons pass on, them have a legacy that they leave behind. So it's awesome that the legacy is there. We'll always remember him. That's awesome.
Still last words.
Look here, the show must go on.
She don't understand. The show must go on, but actually she don't understand.
Okay, on to some present stuff. 9 doctors at the Mount St. John's Medical Center in Antigua have tested positive for the COVID-19 virus, putting a strain on the hospital's already stretched resources. Now, everybody did kind of think, say, you know, come a couple months, so done. 6 months, yeah, this so done. So get a vaccine, 1 year, by 2020 done, everything cool. Well, it's 2021, here we are.
And I know other people, even when the new year started, people say, all right, new year, things are going to turn around. But even now, we're at first Saturday in March. This would have been a year ago, our last free Saturday.
Before everything went
lockdown.
Boom.
Yeah.
Right?
So, a year.
Yeah, and the frontline staff of this hospital is who's getting really all of it, of most hospitals in the world.
Yeah, and remember, Antigua is not like Jamaica. They're very small.
Yeah.
So, and there are Jamaican doctors who are working there as well, nurses who are working there as well. So it don't look like, I mean, we're further along than we were before.
I was just about to say hang in there.
Yeah.
Because as long as we start moving forward with the protective measures and forward for the people who are willing to take the vaccine, then we actually have, you know, like a fighting chance. Say, So we got this. Yeah. Doctors, nurses, frontline staff, all of the people who are there, hang in there. Yeah. We'll fight safely for you too.
Indeed. With the University of the West Indies and other tertiary bodies faced with increased financial challenges because of COVID-19, the government said it will allocate $9.2 billion to help fund the institution in the new fiscal year. Well, that's
enough.
Go back, 9.2 billion?
I don't think you processed the number.
It's billion with a B?
Yeah, B. Go back, see there?
Billion. Wow.
Yeah.
And as you said, the show must go on. Education is important to us as a nation. And I applaud the government for making that move. And I really hope it passes on to other sectors.
Is it possible, Madam Ministress, that I could just get the .2?
.2.
Just
give me the B. Just give me the B for the billion.
I didn't go you in, like, I'm never tell Australia. We could have organized that now. You know? Okay.
Yeah. But that's good though. That is good. And I really hope other institutions are getting the help as well, because I don't want us to face that gap in education, because this gap here that was forced on us, it has a lot of implications.
Yeah, definitely. Yeah. Everybody's going to be at a different level. There are students who are not able to progress as fast as the students that are, and it's going to be all over the place. But the good news is that things are still happening.
Yeah.
Teachers are still fighting. So we're still moving forward in some way, shape, or form.
Yeah.
So the fact that UE can get this little
we could push.
Yeah. And mind you, we say it's enough money, but when you really think about it, when it buy long and you chip and you put this and you put this and it not
goes
really
away.
no
Yeah.
whole heap of money.
Makes
So,
sense.
you know. Good news for you, Yui. Point two. Okay. After a 5-year hiatus, almost as long as me, the Jamaica Jazz and Blues Festival has returned. It started on March 4 and continues today on March 6, 2021. The event is held online and its digital reach is expected to connect fans of the show at home and abroad. Yeah, can you imagine them come back when them can just go so whoosh, everybody can watch. But guess what, guys? That's it for our trending topics. We Can Smile will continue after the break. We soon come.